It's that time of the month for me. I just want to show you guys a really quick, simple, but yet very effective routine that I do while I'm on my period. So I'm gonna go in with a Dove soap, and this is the cucumber scent. When it's that time of the month, I can get very sensitive to smells sometimes. Like, it really depends, but this month I did not feel like smelling anything too sweet or too overwhelming. I kept this little period shower routine very simple and very quick because I want to get out. Let's be real, I just want to get out. But I did make sure to go in with my vaginal wash because that's a must-have to use all the time, no matter what. And I am going to be shaving using my new favorite EOS shaving cream. Then once I'm done drying myself, I immediately put on my pad because I will start bleeding really fast. Like, this was like my day 1 or 2 period day. I decided that I really needed to wax my armpits because it's been about 3.5 weeks. So I just went in with my waxing kit and my little waxing machine and just started waxing my armpits. I didn't want to go too in detail with the video. Since I was gonna be chilling in the house all day, might as well put on some pajamas. And the other ones that I had on in the video, the pink ones, yeah, the adjustable strap broke, so I do not feel like smelling anything too sweet, anything with too much of a scent. So I just went in with my coconut oil and some lavender lotion to relax my mind and just help me be relaxed. I swear I be going through it on my period. Then I'm gonna use my Intimist and just put her down there so it could help with moisturization. Then lastly, I am going to be using my Cozy Vanilla Bourbon spray by Bath & Body Works because it smells too good and that scent doesn't really bother me. So to help my neck and my shoulders, my back, just my body not be so tensed, I'm going to use my Brio Neck N5 Mini Massager. I've been testing it out for a few weeks now and it actually works. I would never thought that I would need something like this in my life, but it comes with a pamphlet, a charger, and of course the neck massager. I had got mine in the color beige, but you can get it in gray as well. This massager feels like an actual person massaging my neck and my shoulders, like it feels super realistic or better. This comes with 5D massage heads, a long-lasting battery, hands-free convenience. You can do whatever you want while you get your massage. You can be on your phone, watch TV, do your manicure, do whatever. And it has constant heating and it has a 10-minute auto shut off. I will show you guys how I use it in a few seconds after I show you guys these clips. I just wanted to show you guys how it would look before you put it on. I love how the massage heads are squishy but yet very sturdy so they can really get into your muscles. It's super easy to put on and it's not heavy at all. At first I thought it would be heavy, but it's actually only like 2 to 3 pounds. To turn it on, all you have to do is hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Then it would immediately start massaging your neck and shoulders. As you can see, it's really getting in there. Like, it feels so good, super relaxing. It can go really fast or really slow. It can have the heat high or really low. And the massage covers do come with a zipper so you can easily wash them and continue to keep them clean. This is a really good gift to treat yourself or to give to a loved one. So make sure you guys go check out Brio. I'll leave the links down below. Use my coupon code ST20OFF. I do want to thank Brio for sponsoring this small portion of this video. Next, I'm going to be giving my skin a little bit of self-care. I honestly did not feel like doing this, but my skin was breaking out super bad. So I decided to go in with my Japanese matcha detoxifying cream mask from Freeman. and I love this mask a lot. This detoxifies my pores, it's lightweight, and it dries really fast. Also, peep the flowers in the back because it was just my birthday, and I had filmed this the day before my birthday or on my birthday, and I really don't remember, but either way, your girl was going through it. Like, you can low-key tell on my face, like I was just over it, but for the sake of this video, I didn't want to look too annoyed.
I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
once I'm done, I'm just gonna chill and relax until it dries, and I'm also gonna be using my 𝐵𝐸 neck massager because it really works. Like, I love this massager and I'm low-key addicted to it. Like, it works that good. I do take my massages very seriously, so I love this little machine. Once I rinse off the mask, I went in with my normal skincare routine, and then I went in with some castor oil because I really need to grow the sparse areas on my brows. Then my lips were super dry, so I had to use my 𝐿𝐹 lip exfoliator, and I think this is the brown sugar one, but this one right here is my favorite. This product leaves my lips super nice and moisturized, and it really removes all the dead skin that I have on my lips. Then to keep my lips hydrated, I'm going in with my Bissell Balm from JLo Beauty, and I still can't believe they sent me this. They sent me this Bissell Balm just in time because my lips be going through it during this cold weather. It wasn't even time for me to go to bed yet, but with this daylight savings time going on, kind of messed up my sleep, so I'm kind of getting sleepy. But I am going to be using my Monkey Balm to help with my cramps because I really be going through it with my cramps too. It's like the holistic way of me helping my cramps. I always mention that small but yet very powerful product. It has all natural ingredients in it, and it helps stop my cramps and my headaches or any muscle issues that I have going on. I did get it from Amazon, so I'll be linking that down below for you guys. Now I'm just chilling because I did not feel like doing anything at all. I just wanted to relax and stare at the TV and watch the first 48, and I was also snacking on my little tortilla chips. I don't know why I was dancing, but I was probably thinking of a song in my head. But I was on season 2, I don't know which episode. They have found a DEAD body in the lake. But I love watching FBI shows like this. Like, I used to be so obsessed with America's Most Wanted. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys what I do for my self-care routines while I'm on my period. Let me know what you guys usually do while you're on your period. How do you give yourself some type of self-care routine? Let me know in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe because it'll help me so much. And we're almost at 50k subscribers, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. But I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.